Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. What I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna do my first ever unboxing. This box is from Your Creative Studio, so I haven't opened it yet, so I'm gonna start opening it and see what we have. Okay, hopefully I don't break anything here. Have to be very, very careful. Woo, so excited. Ooh, it's right there. Your Creative Studio. What's this? Oh, there's a card. So much for you. Let me see. Oh, look at that. Love the wrapper. Very nice. Have to be very careful. Okay, let me see. Let me start with this one. Oh, it's a cling stamp. I don't want to break the envelope. Oops. Oh, this is nice. My goodness, this is so cool. See this? I'm gonna try this later. This is so cool. Okay. This one is, oh, another cling stamp. Okay, I don't wanna. There we go. See this? Wow, look at that. Floral. Ooh, I love this one. Okay. Oh, this one is masking tape. See this one? Oh my goodness. Look how gorgeous that is. Okay, let me see. Look at that. There you go. Ooh, I love this one. I am definitely gonna use this one on my junk journals. Okay. This one is, can't read that one. But this one is ooh, like a sticker. I think it is. Yep, it's a sticker. Floral. Look at this. So gorgeous. Oh my. Oops. Wow. I love using this. Especially on, you can use this one on your mini journal. They're so cute. Oh my goodness. Love the color. Look at that. I think this one, I don't know. Looks like a dry floral sticker. Oh my god, look at this. Awesome. Very cute. There's like it has 40 pieces. Oh, hold on. Oh, it's a sticker. Look at that. I like this one. Oops. Sorry. I like this one. So cute. And this one too. Oh my. This is gonna look good on my junk journals. Okay, this one, it says masking tape. Let me see. Oh, this one is nice. Looks like a rice paper. Look at the color. Can you see the color? Wow. Love, love, love. I love this. I'll put right here. Okay, oh, this one, it says past memory. Looks like die cuts. Let me see if it is. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, it has a dried flower. Wow, look at that. Cute. Look at this. Oops. Look how pretty that is. It just looks like a, is it a sticker? Yep. It's a cutout stickers. I think. Is it all sticker? Look at this. Ooh. This one is nice for your journal. Is this a sticker? No. Oh, it's a mix. I don't think all of them are stickers. Look at this. These are so nice. So cute. Okay, let's see. Ooh, there's a lot. I'm so excited. This one is more cutouts. I cannot read those. Time collection. Ooh, look at that. Wow. You guys, this is from Your Creative Studio. I've been following them on Instagram for so long. And I like all their stuff. So cute. These are all good addition for your junk journal. I mean, seriously. Okay, and it's a sticker. So cool. Let me see. Very nice. It's a clear sticker. Okay, this one is cutouts. It's a small card. Okay. Love this one. Pretty cool. Look at that. Love the paper. Wow. You know, this is the first time that I'm doing unboxing. So just bear with me. Wow, I love this one. Love the color. Look at that. I love this one. I think I don't have to do a distressing on the side because it already has that. Very nice. Ooh, this is so cool. Let me do this one. Aw, I like the way they wrap it. Look at that. This one, you can use this one too. See? So don't throw anything away. So cool for the pocket. Look at that. Love, love, love. You know, I like using small ones like this, especially if I'm gonna create a belly band for the journal. Nice. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Love the paper that they use. Really cool. Look at that. Nice. See, I love the color. The prints, they look so nice. Ooh, love this. Ooh. I love the texture. Look at that texture. Ooh. Ah, this one is kind of like a booklet. It is a booklet. So excited. Look at that. You guys. It's nice. Wow. Oh my gosh. See how pretty this is. Ledgers. Ooh, I'll definitely use this one. Wow. Nice. Ooh, stickers. Is this stickers? Yep. Oh, it's a transfer. Transfer sticker. I love transfer stickers. Like that. Look at that. Oh, I can use this one too. Look at that. Transfer stickers. Wow. Oh, very nice. And here is the last one. It says ephemera. These are ephemeras. Ooh, I love ephemera. Look at that. Can use that. Oh my gosh. Look at the paper that they use. Okay, did I put, oh, it's upside down. Okay. All right, look at this. Oh, is this a sticker? No. Did it say sticker? No. Paper camera. Oh, it's a sticker. This one is a sticker right there. Oh my goodness, look at the design. Wow. Look at that. You know what I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna make something out of it and show you a sample of what you can do. Look at the design. I like the birdies. Oh, look at that. This one is not a sticker. This one's not a sticker. Oh my gosh. Love this. Wow. I love the paper. Oh, this one is kind of like a clear one. See? Wow. These are very nice. Okay, so I think that's the last one. What I'm gonna do here is I am going to try this out and see what I can do with this. I'm gonna try and decorate this one, and I'm gonna use this sticker paper. So first I'm gonna decorate the back. I think I'm gonna use this one right here. Let's see. Oops, there's another one. And then I'm gonna cut it. Look at that. Okay, hold on. Let's see something. There you go. And then on the front, I'm gonna use this one right here. See how nice that is. Okay, let me take it out. Look how nice that is. Okay. Decorate that. Make sure that it's even. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, this one right here. I'm gonna use one of the ledger here. Let me see. So I want to decorate the inside too. Okay, let me see what it will look like. Okay. Let me see. So I want to make sure. Let's see the collection. Or I can just do this one. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue this one. Let's see. Then you can decorate it up to there. You don't have to go all the way down. There you go. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then you can round the edge of this one. Round the edge. Okay. Ooh, I like this one. Let's see. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to run this to my sewing machine. I'm just gonna do some stitching around it. I'll be right back. Okay, hey, I'm back. Okay, here you go. I do stitching. And then what I'm gonna do is I am going to distress this using a vintage photo. Some distressing. Then you can do right here. Look at the back. Their papers are so gorgeous. Look at that. What I always do is because the plastic around here is too wide for me, so what I do is I just trim it a little bit. I don't know, I like trimming it. go. Look at that. Looks like it's growing. Aww. Now what I'm gonna do is, let's see what else I can do. Because I need to put some pockets on the front. Let's see what they have here. Ooh, there's more. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use this one and then cut it and then make a small pocket there. Okay, let's see. Okay. Let me trim this one. Trim, trim, trim. Okay. Right there. Because this one is so thin, I'm gonna stick it to a cardstock. Okay. I am going to glue it down because I love the mushrooms. Go. Just gonna stick it right here. Go. Now I can put right here. Let me see. There you go. Then you can, okay, I'm gonna run this to the sewing machine because I think it will look nice if you put stitching around it. So I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. So now what I'm gonna do is I am going to glue it down here so there's more added pocket. Okay, let's see. There you go. I think this one looks nice. Look at that. You can put something in here. It's right there. And then right here. And then on the back. Look at that. I don't want to cover it. I mean, you can just add journal in there or pictures. You can write something in there. Or you can even add pockets, but I don't want to cover the birds. They look so nice. See? That's all you have to do. So cute. This is a nice add-on to your journal. Well, anyway, This one, I think this is enough. And then you can put some of your wordings there, or add more flower or birds. I think that's it. So you can just add this on your journal. You can stick it like that on your journal page, or you can just make it like as a tag, because you don't want to cover this. This is so gorgeous. Well, anyway, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you check out your creative studio. I'm gonna put the link below. And I mean, the collection is very, it's gorgeous. Well, anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like this video. Happy crafting! Bye bye.